Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload audio on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Roblox application, and first of all we need to go to the more option right here, and then we're going to choose create menu, and it will bring us to the roblox.com. Okay, now the roblox.com has been opened, and then you can go to creations and go to development items, and here guys you will be able to upload your audio. Just go to the audio, and then you're going to click on upload asset, and then you can name it. For example, I'm just going to name it music, and then you can add audio description, and then here you can click on upload, and I'm just going to pick I'm just going to add random description. Okay, you can click on upload here, and I'm going to choose, for example, this audio. Okay, and wait, I'm going to add description music or game. Okay, and then just click on upload, and your audio will be uploaded to Roblox. Okay guys, and that's all the way to upload audio on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!